In this video, we'll be showing you what equipment ground kits are used in the J250 enclosures and how to install them. There are two kits which are used in the J250 enclosures. The PKO H150, which is used for the 15 through 150 amp breakers, and the PKO J250, which is used for the 150 through 250 amp breakers. In the PKO H150, you will receive 2 lugs, 2 mounting screws, and labels. In the PKO J250, you'll receive 2 lugs, 2 mounting screws, and labels. With each kit, you will receive instructions on how to install the equipment grounds. Here, you can see the equipment ground lugs installed, and you also need to install the torque labels and the equipment ground labels.